What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Fortnite voice chat is disabled due to your parental control settings. So let's get right into this. So if you're having issues on basically having your voice chat enabled and you're basically not able to do it because of parental controls, the first thing you want to do is you might have an account where you have a parental lock on. A lot of times the password is either 6 zeros, 6 ones, or 6 nines. If it's, I believe it's 6 characters. And if not, if it is with a parent, obviously ask your parent like, hey, I want to be able to like basically talk with this. Can I basically have like the password so I can enable it? Once you are able to get access into the thing, you'll see a section under audio called voice chat that you're seeing over here. You want to basically turn this to everybody or friends only, right? This is on your preference on how you want to have it. You can see there's everybody, friends and teammates, friends only, are off. So you want to obviously have it on your specific preference on which direction you'd like to take it to. Once you do these steps, you guys should be good to go. You should have voice chat enabled. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash it up. Down the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.